Sometimes the hardest thing about being a YouTuber is knowing what to create next. Yeah, let us help you with that. Now then, welcome back to vidIQ, educating you on your YouTube journey. Today's lesson is how to never run out of video ideas for your YouTube channel ever again. Oh yeah, this is a big one. This is an important one, so much so that I've decked myself out in the poshest vidIQ shirt I've got. Let's do this. So what is daily ideas? Oh well, it's when that cup of coffee in the morning isn't enough to get your creative juices flowing, when you need that extra spark of inspiration. I'm sure you've got a lot of questions about how this tool works, so let's jump straight into them. And by the way, this mug is empty. I hate coffee. 50 ideas, that's an impressive number, especially when you get this every single day. Hang on, that's 1,500 YouTube video ideas a month. That's right, our machine learning will combine your video titles with millions of titles from creators just like you all across YouTube to generate a near endless supply of ideas. You don't need a minimum of this amount of subscribers or that many views or X videos on your channel. As long as you're making content on a regular basis, daily ideas is going to get to work for you. Whoa, stop right there, because I know what you're about to ask next. Rob, this is all very well and good showing us vidIQ's daily ideas. But what about my channel? All right. Fair question. Let's find out. Over the last year, our daily ideas algorithm has been watching, reading and learning from hundreds of thousands of channels of all shapes, sizes and topics. It's seen millions of video titles, enough to know what ideas work for gaming, tech, fashion, entertainment, fitness, gardening, well, literally whatever type of channel you can think of. And with each of these ideas comes a view prediction. Again, our machine learning is analysing videos both from you and similar creators, and how many views these videos get in their first 7 days on YouTube. Now, of course, we're not expecting you to turn every single daily idea into a video. Unless you're making YouTube shorts, it might be possible. Daily Ideas is a tool that helps to put you in the starting blocks. From this idea, you should start to research the best titles and the thumbnails that other creators are using that get clicks. That's why for any idea suggested, you can click into it to see the top ranked videos for that video idea. Once you've done the research, it's up to you to decide whether or not to turn that idea into a video. Whether or not I decide to make a video on a topic is a question for another day. But what I can tell you for certain is that this was my inspiration. And we know this type of inspiration works because we've tested it ourselves. Each of these ideas, after careful research and planning, were transformed into videos on vidIQ, all of which exceeded the typical views performance for the channel. And so it's over to you. Download vidIQ, fire up daily ideas, and let me ask you this question again. What will you make next? Answers in the comments below.